Morning, morning. Good morning, girls. Yeah, good morning. Morning. We forgot about that amazing house. Yeah. But in the last episode, I'm sad to tell you something, guys. It's over here. Come on. Can I show you? Okay, 3, 2, 1. We have no food. Yeah, we have no food. So, what do? We'll go shopping today? Sure, shopping. Yay, shopping. Dude, wake up. Okay, let's go. Okay. Here. We're here. Okay, guys, we're here. Let's find the food stuff. Oh, sorry, wrong way, wrong way. Oh, yes. Come on, girl, where you going? Oh, sorry. Oh my hand. Okay. Wow, look at the food. Ew, the fish are disgusting. And the meat. Wait, what happened? Sorry, guys. Exit. Okay, we're back. Okay. Wow. I think I'm gonna get everything here. Okay, let's go. We just have to get by everything. It's in a bag. Put it in a bag. Thank you. Oh, some pizza. Yum. Jam. Delicious. That sounds good. Yeah. Very happy. Good. Close it. Okay. Let's get some apples, for carrot, tomato. Let's get some drinks, let's get these eggs. These eggs, thank you. Milk, one of each milk. Excuse me. Yes. Okay. And let's get these orange juices. Oh, we dropped some. Can you hold some orange juice? Yeah, I can hold it. Ooh, Toca. Okay, let's pay. Let's go. Hello, lady. Would you like to pay for this? This shopping's for me. is expensive. Are you sure you can buy it? Wait. Huh? Guys, it's my dad. No. No. I got all the money. Yes, money. Thank you. Thanks so much. You're welcome. Now, let's go. Hey, pay. Yummy. My goodness. Drink. What is this? No pieces. Hey. Bye. Oh, so that's your gift. What do we get today? Wow. Yes. Wow. Wait on. Okay. We just want this. Okay. Oh, this is a good game. Nope. So good, this is my mom. God. There. Okay. Oh, guys. This is lots of problems. Did someone come help me? Yeah, me too. Sure. Okay, let's go. One gift. Woo! One gift? Are you serious? I think there's a way for more than one gift. Oh. Oh. It actually looks kind of cool. Yeah. A poster? Nice. Oh, nothing in here. Let's wait for him. Bye. So guys, I'm eating something. Nice, the weather. Okay. Oh, it's like fridge. tomato. Take this tomato out. Let's put the drink. Let's put these right here, like the drink. Yum. Right on my mouth. Okay. Yum. Apple. Done. I get some extra stuff from supplies. No. Oh. We don't need this. This cereal. We need dog food. Dog food. Okay, we'll feed you. Ooh, lots of noodles. 3 packs of noodles. Okay, nice. I'm gonna get cat food. So cat food, I guess. I'm gonna cat soon. I guess. Okay. Definitely no meat. That is the rules. No meat allowed. Do we keep salt in the fridge? I don't think we do. Pepper? Get pepper. Pepper. Okay. Definitely Nutella. I love Nutella. Where's the Nutella? Okay, 2 jars of Nutella. I just love it. 2 jars of it. Bread. Lots of bread in the fridge. Lots of healthy potatoes. More bread. Keep some 3 packets of cheese. No cheese because we need Okay, nice. This is the longest video I ever had. Oh my goodness. Can't I just get whatever these are, just put them in a healthy place? Just one down. Green, cause just this $2 peanut. Cause why not? No, you already have one, so. And I think we're done. Okay. Yum. Okay. Exactly why I was trying to move the furniture. That's what they're moving. Few people got it. What are extra chair? I don't think so. Yeah. Oh, close this. Close. Okay. Open, close. There we go. Yeah. You put it right here. Just like this here. Oh, yum. Okay. To do this one last thing. The video's really long also. Quick. Okay, right here. Okay. Dog. Cat. Hamster. Take the cage. God. Somebody hold this. Daddy's got a little card. Can you hold the parent? And you hold the cage. Let's go. Somebody hold the cat. The money. Yummy money. I don't know why people. I don't know. Let's just get a cat. It's dog food. It's a dog. Let's just go really quick. The video. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm here. I'm sorry, I wasn't recording. Row. Okay, we got the pets. Okay, put the cat in the den room. These doggies are gonna stay in the bedroom. Cats, dogs, they're just separate. Let us make but then you just live in a plant, you know? Okay. Got so many pets, but if you enjoyed today's video, if you enjoy today's video, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. I'm out of here.